tiny elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fig. 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 Soft fig. Fig. G is for grapes. 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 Purple grapes. Grapes. H is for honeydew. 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 Juicy honeydew. Honeydew. I is for imbi. 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 Tasty imbi. Imbi. J is for jackfruit. 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 Jackfruits. Big jackfruits. Jackfruits. K is for kiwano. 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 Funny kiwano. Kiwano. L is for lychee. 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 Juicy lychee. Lychee. M is for mango. 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 Sweet mango. Mango. N is for nectarine. 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 Yummy nectarine. Nectarine. O is for orange. 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 Round orange. Orange. P is for papaya. 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 Soft papaya. Papaya. Q is for quince. 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 Golden quince. Quince. R is for raspberry. 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 Tiny raspberry. Raspberry. S is for strawberry. 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 Red strawberry. Strawberry. T is for tangerine. 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 Juicy tangerine. Tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Funny ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V is for vanilla. 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 Creamy vanilla. Vanilla. W is for watermelon. 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 Big watermelon. Watermelon. X is for shigua. 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 Juicy shigua.